Hello everyone. Returning to Shib, welcome. Shocking revelations. Shosher recently declared that by the following year, all Shiba Inus will be completely eliminated. The Shibu price is struggling to reach higher September targets. Trader behavior with the infamous meme currency was erratic due to shakeouts and fakeouts in both ways. There might be a chance to short the digital asset in the upcoming days, despite the fact that trading the Shiba price has proven to be more difficult. In this clip, we'll discuss breaking. Kaitoshi recently declared that by the next year, all Shiba Inus will be completely eradicated. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. The current price of Shiba Inu is $0.110. The volume profile study indicates that the cumulative volume has tapered during each counter-trend spike in the market, corroborating the notion of a faltering trend. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu price has structural resistance at the $0.115 and $0.0011 levels. During the previous downturn in July, the relative strength index broke into very oversold territories. It has not yet rebounded to the other extreme. These elements together suggest that unless the September swing high at $0.0000393 is broken, Shiba Inu's price will probably stay bearish. In the upcoming hours, a bearish death cross could be produced by the recently rejected 21-day simple and 8-day exponential moving averages. Thus, traders with an acute eye may find it justified to enter the market close to present price levels. It is very likely that the cross will result in a breach of the September low at $0.000092. Further objectives might be close to the thrust candle from June 18, which is at $0.00000820. This would mean a 25% drop from the current price of the Shiba Inu. The start of 2022 hasn't been great either. The cost of a Shiba Inu token has decreased by roughly 69% thus far. The shift in market mood can be attributed to a number of factors, including as the widespread sell-off of high-risk assets and the lack of widespread acceptance of Shiba Inus. Although the community is working on a number of projects to help revive the token's value, none of them have had a significant effect as of yet. However, the release of a specific new game on October 6 is one thing that might gain some traction this month. The new game, called Shiba Eternity, will be accessible on mobile devices via the Play Store and App Store of Alphabet. Similar to card-based games like Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Pokemon, this collectible card game lets players battle one another. A digital Shiba Inu dog-like avatar called Shosher will be given to each player, which they must keep safe from harm throughout each battle. The overall design of the game may enable future competitive events with reward opportunities. It's not necessary to have Shiba Inu tokens in order to play, but ideally the game will gain enough traction to spark interest in the token that got it all started. Nonetheless, Shiba Inu's principal developer, Shosher Guama, recently disclosed that 5% of gaming revenues will be incinerated, eliminating Shiba Inu tokens from existence permanently. There are currently over 590 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, which prevents their value from increasing. Shiba Eternity is only the most recent in a line of engaging, interactive methods to lower that number. As of this writing, one Shiba Inu token costs just $0.0011, and it might be nearly impossible to get to the more common $1 price. Shiba Inu would be the most valuable asset in the world with a total worth of $590 trillion if that were to occur. Even the most optimistic investors don't think that's likely to happen. As a result, the token could only be used to re-establish a level similar to $1 by drastically lowering its overall supply. But for that to happen, around 99.9998% of them would need to disappear. Simply sending Shiba Inu tokens to a dead wallet or doing business with a participating company, such as the Shiba Coffee Company, which burns a portion of its income, are two ways the community can support the burn project. However, at the current average daily burn rate, it might take a long time to eliminate enough tokens to produce a significant price increase. Even if it did, investors' net position would remain unchanged since they would hold fewer tokens at a higher value per token, not increasing their worth. For Shiba Inu, this past week has been interesting. First, the principal Shiba Inu creators declared that user testing of the Shiba Eternity game had concluded. Community members in Australia and Vietnam can now play the game. Some of them have already shared their initial impressions of it on Twitter. Shiba Eternity is scheduled to be released for general download on Thursday, and the reviews have been positive. Another significant milestone for the main currency is a substantial acquisition from one of the largest Ethereum whales. This whale, which has acquired 300 billion Shiba, was classified as the 998th largest ETH whale. At the time of acquisition, the amount came to $3,471,000. What the whale did with the tokens it had bought, however, was even more significant. In two separate transactions, this whale had transferred the Shiba to anonymous wallets, most likely for storage. This list places the long-running Shiba burn at number 3. The burn has been getting worse with every day that goes by, which has helped the community's spirits. Over 560 million Shiba have been destroyed in 54 deals in just 7 days, setting a new record of 25,749 million Shiba burned in one transaction. Meme cryptocurrency initiative for some time now, Shiba Inu has been working on its metaverse project. The Shiba Metaverse team released a groundbreaking art design on Tuesday, October 4th. Canton is a new digital area that will be significant to metaverse users. The visual representation technique that gives a location a certain look, a common technique used in movies and video games to convey a predetermined vision and emotion, is highlighted in the concept artwork for Canyon First. This idea combines the project's various elements with a creative perspective. The third-floor visualization studio and Canyon First collaborated to develop concept art that captures the spirit of rugged rivers, excitement, and stunning landscapes. Engaging in activities like whitewater rafting, adventure mountain, rock climbing, and water skiing is possible for users. The goal of the Canyon Hub is to provide users with a completely virtual experience of camping or being in the countryside. The Hub's visual concept, which was inspired by a variety of places including Lake Tahoe, the U.S. Badlands, Salt Flats, the Grand Canyon, etc., is only now available in black and white. The Shiba Metaverse team has also been engaged in other significant projects. The WMI Temple and Rocket Pond project's concept art was discovered by the Metaverse team last month in September. The WMI Temple stands for the idea of Zen meditation and spiritual rest, which is influenced by meditation centers and temples all throughout the world. Enabling metaverse users to partake in spiritual and relaxation disciplines such as yoga, meditation, and other practices is the aim. However, the Shiba Metaverse team stated that the idea of a rocket has been connected to the cryptocurrency community with vigor, action, and significant price increases. In contrast, the purpose of the Rocket Pond Hub has not been quite evident. During the 2022 crypto winter, there has been selling pressure on the Shiba price. The Shiba cryptocurrency performed incredibly well during the bull run of 2021. Lately, the Shiba Inu development team has been working on important initiatives like the Metaverse innovations. According to Shoshiro Kozama, the principal developer of Shiba Inu, 2023 will be among the finest years for the coin. In the upcoming year, he predicted, they would be able to drastically reduce the token supply. Nothing could prevent Shiba Inu from reaching the $2 threshold if what he claims comes to pass. And that concludes our day. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.